So right now I am going to be dropping Jordan off at work, and then I'm going to go hang out with my friend Liz. Alright, hey, I'm here with Liz and we are going to go get some unlimited sushi. Alright, right now we are going to the park to go see some fireworks with our friends Sarah and Demetrius.
Yeah.
We made it to the park, but I don't think we're ever going to find our friends. I found them! We found them! Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, waiting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? And do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screams, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. So you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em say, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. You're gonna leave 'em falling down, down. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you, you. And now it's time to let it through, through, through. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It started raining. I don't know if you can tell, but we're kind of soaked. Just a little bit. So right now we're at Tradesmart, which is just a giant nerd store.
There's melodic again.
Oh! looks really funny.
I don't know where Molly is. I can't find her anywhere. It's what? Oh.
Wow, that's really dark. Okay, it's 11:30. We're gonna head home. See you tomorrow. Bye. Make 'em go, oh, say, shoot across the sky. Oh.